Arbor View is where we are today. So we're starting right here at the Arbor View Town Center. Yeah, right out here need some patching, but we're not here to interview the road today. We're here to do a drive around Arbor View. So on the front you have different commercial entities like Tasty Restaurant that was there for a long time. You have KFC across the road, that's pretty new, so KFC is here. You have Pizza Hut as well, and a few other commercial entities on the front. You also have Devon House Ice Cream. You have a gas station across the road. So right here is the Arbor View Town Center. We're gonna go into the plaza as well, the Arbor View Plaza, or the Arbor View Shopping Center, just to show you guys around the place. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I am Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're on Rush Raymore Reviews. So we do all type of videos. We do driving video, we do construction update, new construction, new road development, we do house tours, we do drone videos, we do community drive, city drive, so you name it. It's all Jamaica, it's brand Jamaica, and it's showing the beauty of Jamaica to the world. So if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It's free, and remember to like, comment, and share. So we're going up the road so we can enter the Arbor View Shopping Center, which is their main shopping area for this community of Arbor View. Not too far from the city of Kingston. With no traffic, probably have 10 to 15 minutes drive. They have their own library, they have their own police station, they have the Arbor View Football Club and football stadium. So most things are here. So this is Shoppers Fair Supermarket, Arbor View on the left. Unique design, it's circle in design. It has a circular design. So from above, from a drone's view, you can see the real design. I did a drone video of this Arbor View area before, so I'll put that video in the comments for you guys, so you can check out that drone video looking at this Arbor View shopping district from above. So you guys can check out that video if you haven't yet done so. So other than the supermarket, you still have a lot of shops inside. Most of them was refurbished recently. Not all of them have a sign, so it's kind of hard to tell what's in it. NCB was out here, but they relocated. But all these black grills would have been different shops, which serves the Arbor View community. So I know I do most videos in central Kingston, in uptown, in downtown, but from time to time, I try to showcase other places in Jamaica. So we have fishing supplies, because the ocean is just a minute from here. So this is a lot of fishing happen out this side as well. You have betting, you have barber, you have salon, you have wholesale, and other shops as well. So Arbor View Town Center, Arbor View Shopping Center, that's where we're starting out the video, and we'll drive to around the police station side, because it's hard to drive out the entire Arbor View because it's a big community. There's two sides to it as well. It's divided by the river. So you have one side over this side, and then you have a crossover on the other side. So there's two sides to it. I did a previous video on the other side that we're not going today. I think I'll just probably put that in the links as well for you guys. Alright, so we're gonna head in the community now, and showcase a few of the streets, a few of the houses. Alright, so we're coming off Fort Nugent Drive and we're now on Seashore Place. Then we take the right onto Dorado Drive. So we'll go down Dorado Drive and then we'll take a left onto Starfish Drive. So most of the streets are named, you know, from different things in the sea or different ocean type things. So like you have Starfish, you have Reef Avenue, you have Lagoon Avenue. Alright, so anything related to the ocean, some of the streets get those names. So it's set up as a scheme type community. Most of the original houses were all designed the same, and then persons modify and expand and, you know, put on an extra floor, redesign, you know, whole works. Alright, so right now we're on Starfish Drive and we'll drive past one of the parks in the community, which is Aqua Park. We had Lagoon Avenue on the left, Aqua Avenue on the left, and then Aqua Park is also on the left. So this is a little community park for recreational activities. Again, just highlighting some of the homes, some of the streets in Harbourview. And as usual, if you used to live in Harbourview, or if you are living in Harbourview, or if you know someone that lives or used to live in Harbourview, let us know in the comment section. And then we're going to go on to Pearl Avenue. Station on the right, not very big, but you know, this is a police station that serves the community. So it's right here on the right. I'm just give you guys a quick glimpse. There's no space to go in, but just a quick glimpse. So that's the Harbourview police station. Then we're gonna head back out to the town center area, and then we're gonna head out to the Harbourview roundabout. That also brings you over to the Norman Manley International Airport, and then once you pass there, you're onto Port Royal. Alright guys, so continue enjoying the drive. enjoy the music while we drive back out to the town center. Alright guys, so we're back at the Arbor View roundabout, and again it's not impossible but it will be difficult to drive on every single road in Arbor View because it's a very big community. So just give you guys a quick glimpse. Also highlighted the commercial area for you guys as well. So remember to like as we approach the Arbor View roundabout. Remember to comment and remember to share as well. So thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching, and thanks for your support. So Arbor View Community Drive. So on the left leads into Arbor View, straight ahead brings you into St. Thomas, and this left brings you to the Norman Mann International Airport, and then straight ahead, straight ahead is Kingston. So this is the Arbor View roundabout. Catch you on another video.